this Oak Hill Crew night run, we found a bit of mud.
There you go. Grab something over there.
Yeah, no, he hung up on something underneath.
Hey Nick, go this way. Yeah.
Some cute wildlife. And just some usual trails, just in the dark. Okay, probably not really gonna be able to do introductions because it's dark. This is our Easter nighttime run. First place we're going is up to pick up F2 two-wheel drive. All right, welcome to the Oak Hill Crew. It is Easter weekend. We already got one run in, but we had some people coming. We had a family member coming from out of town, so we're out for a little night run. Because it rained today, but it seems to be pretty good now. It's looking pretty nice out, actually. Guess my phone's at home. So we got most of the crew here. Oh, that's a little bit of a dip. Oh, we're OG. That's what I'm supposed to say. OG. I don't think we're going too far, and I'm hoping this video quality turns out. Everyone knows GoPro is notorious for not great low light conditions, but we've got our LED headlights just a bumping. So we'll see what we can make out of it. And hopefully you guys already seen our big Easter run, which was yesterday, which had some crazy antics in it. So if you haven't checked that out, I recommend you do. Hey boss, anything you want to say to the fans at home? She says if you're interested in some cool swag, she recommends the Mud Chipmunk, because that's her. So if you'd like to support the boss, feel free to pick up your t-shirt. I can make you say whatever I want until I get this. Actually, I should just figure around with this and get it figured out, because like I'm supposed to be able to do it, I just haven't done it, like where I can map it to the communicator, to the GoPro directly, and have 2 audio tracks, because I think that would actually be pretty slick. We're trying to be a little more family friendly, so you know, we do try to rub it out the bad words when I catch them, because we do want everyone to enjoy this. We don't want people to be you know, offended. Well, can't really prevent people from being offended, but we do want to be more family friendly when we can. But obviously we're not directed to that, so I mean, we're just a group of people. We got one video editor doing the best I can. That was a pretty solid intro, so I hope you guys like it. Oh, I found the easy spot. Oh, I forgot about that. Hey, what's going on with people back there? What? Who is it? Oh, Just Not McAdam, a 60-cent piece. Got something in a little bit of trouble here. can't tell.
It's alright.
This is alright.
Turn left. Nick, turn left. Turn left.
Are you in four-wheel drive? I don't think it is now. That front tire ain't spinning. Unless it's stuck.
They're out.
Oh, it's a frog. Well, he doesn't have a winch, does he? Joe's got a winch. That's not a good idea. But I didn't think it would be that interesting. I went way to the right even.
Yeah, it should be over there. This is like the main trail. I don't know why.
You got her? A little bit of a tricky situation here. Oh, I think he's hung out.
Turn left, lean left.
Turn left,
Side.
left.
There you go. That's something over there.
Yeah, no, he's hung up on something underneath.
Maybe we should just winch him out.
Oh, there's something in front.
I don't want to break his box.
Why don't we just winch him out? Just no, we're gonna winch you out. Just wait. Dude, have your face! Wait, don't put a light on his face. His face is covered in mud. Hold on, I'm gonna hop over to this side. Oh, that's mucky. Oh, Joe doesn't have boots. Oh, that's I would have went in for him if I'd known.
Go in now. Is it stuck?
Take my helmet off.
Oh, don't have those shirts on.
Oh, he does? Oh, okay. Rescue Ranger, up the bat.
Wait, take a picture of the crowd. It might bleed.
Hey, you know the good thing is, your rad's not full of mud. Katie.
Am I full of mud?
Yeah, oh, your face. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not, but.
Whoa.
All right, we gotta get the rescue. Huh?
Didn't think of that.
He is. There it goes, there it goes. Wait, hold up. Oh, you got it, all right. Joe, you can't leave me hanging, bro. Hey, Nick, go this way. Yeah. Hey, you're into mud hog. Nick, high five. Turn slowly into the light. No, the other way. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. There we go. That's that is the country glamour right there. Yep. Covered in mud. Woo! you were wrong behind Jared. No, Jared. Jared's just waiting for everyone to. No, I'm in the back. I'm gonna get murdered first at night. So for the people at home, we have this thing when we're driving at night. This my phone doesn't like to be in the very, very back because she feels like something's gonna grab her, and then I'm always teasing her that bear's just gonna grab her off the back of a bike. And then I'll make little weird noises into the microphone. She doesn't like that. She doesn't think it's very funny. I think it's hilarious. Now I'm in the back. Hey, this looks cool though. Yeah. I don't know. Again, I hope this all turns out on the camera. I really do. Autobots, roll out. Arrived together. Oh, he left me.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I know it's hard to see a lot of detail with a night video with a GoPro. Hopefully in the future it will get better. It is better than what it used to be. We had an absolute fantastic time getting out and riding. I know it's hard to see everything, so I'm keeping this video a little bit shorter. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will keep trying to produce the videos as long as we got people watching.